WhatsApp has officially started rolling out usernames, which means you can connect with people without sharing your phone number. Here's how to reserve your username before someone else grabs it. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and tap Settings. Next, tap Account. If the feature is available for your account, you'll see a new option called Username. Tap Username, then enter the name you'd like to use. WhatsApp will instantly tell you whether it's available or already taken. Once you find an available username, tap Continue or Save to reserve it. You can also choose to connect your username with your Meta account if that option appears, making it easier to use the same username across your apps. If you don't see the username option yet, don't worry, the feature is rolling out gradually. First, update WhatsApp to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play Store. Then, completely close the app and reopen it. If it still isn't available, you'll simply need to wait until the feature reaches your account. And that's how you reserve your WhatsApp username before someone else takes it.